Hello mga master! Welcome back sa aking channel. Samahan niyo ulit ako, maglinis tayo ng Hanabishi window type aircon and non-inverter lang ito mga kapatid. And again sa mga basher ko dyan, I love you! Yan, samahan niyo ako, linisan natin to. Baka magkaroon tayo ng idea at magkaroon sila ng idea kung paano maglinis ng sariling aircon. Konting tutorial lang, konting share lang ng ating kaalaman paano maglinis ng aircon sa ating mga bahay. Samahan niyo ako at tutukan niyo itong aking video. Baka sakali makatulong sa iba. Thank you! So after natin tanggalin yung cover niya, yung mga tornilyo niya, guys, pinapaalala ko lagi sa inyo, kung di nyo ito kabisado at first time nyo lang ginawa ito, at gusto nyo lang maglinis ng sarili nyong aircon, para hindi tayo magkamali, kuhanan natin ng picture, kuhanan natin ng video, para may reference tayo kung paano ulit natin tamang ibalik. Siguraduhin lang natin lagi yung mga may electrical parts, ingatan po natin. Lahat ng mga dinadaluyan ng kuryente, ingatan po natin. Yan, sa mga basher ko ulit, I love you again. I love you. Comment lang kayo guys at pakishare lang tong ating video para makatulong tayo sa ibang tao. Huwag kayong mag-alala, may mga nakukuha pa tayong mga kliyente dahil dito at nakikita yung paano tayo maglinis. Salamat guys, tukan nyo itong video.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as
huwag tayo papakasiguro. So sa mga basher ko dyan, again, I love you. Ayan, ang dumi ng unit. So samahan nyo ko, linisan na natin to, gamitan natin pressure washer para mas malinis, matanggal hanggang kaloob-looban ng mga pins nya. Thank you. So ayan guys, master, mga lodi, mga idol, tapos na tayo sa ating cleaning. So ayan, makikita nyo naman, luminis na. Kaya nang bahala kung mag-decide kung nalinis ba o hindi. Ito, kita naman natin, para sa akin, malinis na to. And mabango na uli ibubugan ito, malamig na uli yung hangin kasi nalinis na yung blower, saka yung loob niya. So ganoon na lang guys. Thank you sa pag-nanood ng aking video. Paki-comment na lang, paki-subscribe, paki-like and share kung nagustuhan mo itong video ko. And welcome again sa mga basher ko. So yan yung mga kanya parts niya, malinis na. Bukod sa pressure washer natin, kinuskus pa natin yan ng mga sabon. Salamat!
No, 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 no.
So testing after cleaning. Okay naman yung unit. Malakas ang binubugan ng hangin at malamig. So sa mga napadaan lang sa aking channel, kahit sa mga basher ko dyan, I love you again. Patuloy na lang, pa-subscribe, pahit ang notification bell, paki-like and share para updated kayo sa mga videos na aking lalabas about aircon and computer. Thank you guys, God bless, and ingat po tayo.